4 AC, sightings, and this is what the 102 does. Awesome. 2 for 1. Get this guy taken off. Wow, finally.
Westbound or eastbound coming. Yeah, it was the eastbound. 106 CW. And a work train in town. I missed a couple of trains. That being said, 621 and 104. And here's 106. And we got a work train in town, and 119, I don't know where 119 is. Yeah. I missed a train meet alright, but oh well. Safe to say 621 met, excuse me, met the 104 on his way out. This guy probably had a meet with the 621 on his way in, and yeah. I did see the power on 104. 104's power was nothing interesting, and I think the 621's power was an EMD lead. 7,000 something, I don't know what it was. It was the ACU lead, I missed that real well. And 421, or no, I mean 420. Here comes the deep. KCS EMD, neat. There's a good chance maybe we'll see 421 after this guy. I mean 420 after this guy. I don't know who's gonna be coming after this guy. He's gone, and yeah. I saw the lead unit on 104. It was Chivos, so it was nothing interesting on 104, so I don't care that I missed that guy. 621, I'm annoyed that I missed 621 because I heard him on the radio. I thought maybe he wasn't leaving yet. Turns out he got let loose early because I kind of ran late. I should have left sooner. It's my fault. I should have left sooner, but oh well. Yeah, the symbol on this train is CPKC 106. This train originates in Vancouver, British Columbia, and terminates in Toronto, Ontario on this August 1st, 2024. Fuck. I'm Michael Surek, 1980 on YouTube. Now he's slow into a crawl. That's for sure. How long is this auto rack train? And he only runs when needed. I know I caught a 106 last month. 8825, which has a K3L, which I had no idea. 8825 at a K3L. Yeah. And there it goes. Okay, on to the next clip. Roll it.
8870. Thank you. I appreciate the horn salutes and yeah.
24 West Farley.
Sounds like we might be in for a train meet. Because I think 119 is going to be pulling soon. So this guy is instructed to wait for 119 at 3.7. That's why he's going pretty slow. And then we got a work train. So the work train should be after 119, I'd say. Leading is 5743. SD40-2. Last I heard it was on the Gulf sub because I saw it on my buddy Hunter Stewart Hobbies channel. I wasn't sure he was headed, and now turns out he's here. On my way down here, I missed a train meet. That being said, I saw 104. 104's leader was a Jevo, same with the DPU, but I didn't care that I missed that guy. And then suddenly, 621 came by. I saw a 621. I think it might have been an SD70 ACU. I mean, I think I said that already in the last scene, so I'm not repeating myself again. And 420, I heard there's 420 with 7022. I don't know if he's gone already or he still has a ways away yet. So if 112's here, I don't know how far off he is. He may be due to have a meet with the 119 with the KCS leader. So yeah, we got a KCS leader coming our way and work train. That's what the action is for today. And yeah. Then I also heard a G891 3311 was leading, and I tried to go see it, but then I went the wrong way, ran into a dead end, so I decided to say forget it, especially if I caught a G891 last month and didn't give a fuck that I missed it. So yeah. Yeah, that's 3 trains that I missed. Although I did catch the 106. That's 20th side. DP, alright, 4741. Yeah, well, that's 3 trains that I missed, but I'm catching 3 trains right now. I didn't care that I missed the 104 nor the G891, especially if I had a 104 on Monday and then the G891 last month. So yeah, it's fine. But 621, I'm kind of pissed that I missed the 621, but oh well. Got a whole bunch of auto racks at the back. Yeah. That's what we seen on the last train that I caught. 106 was a pound auto rack train.
Jeep. It's a Jevo. 8906. DPU alright. That was 112. We should have 119 next. So we'll stay tuned for 119. Okay, on to the next train clip. Roll it. Okay, I think this is gonna wrap it up for today's rail fanning video, because it's dead right now. No sign of the work train or anything else coming right now, so I'm getting tired. Plus it's really hot out here, so hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Give us a thumbs up, subscribe, turn notifications on so you don't miss out on a single upload. Leave comments, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace out and have a great day, everyone.
That's the one we're looking